Kilo says, I'd rather spend time with my family than sit in front of a computer or manage Facebook ads. Thanks for doing this. No problem. Listen, okay, let me just disclaim this, okay? Do not give up a source of income until you can replace that income with trading. And even then, don't give it up, okay? Because you may have a stellar year and then you have a not so stellar year. So it's always good to have multiple sources of income. The only thing that algorithmic trading offers you, if you learn to do it, is that you could still do your other businesses while you have something trading, autonomously for you, right? That doesn't mean you just walk away and everything's fine. Like, you're gonna have to check on it, make sure everything's going according to plan. But I think most people aren't serious. Most people aren't qualified to, trade or be in the business anyways. And I don't like selling people on dreams. Look, most people don't make it. You're not gonna make it. There's like a 90% chance you ain't gonna make it. No matter if you listen to me or Jesus came down and he taught you how to trade himself, most of you aren't going to make it. And as long as you understand that, and you still want to learn from me or anyone in general, like, that is your own prerogative. Okay? But there is no pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Nobody can promise it to you. And the thing with trading is that no matter how hard you study, no matter what you create, there's always a possibility that's not going to work out. And a lot of people in our society believe that the more effort they put into something, the reward should work out. No, you know this by going to college. You know this by applying to jobs. All you can ever do is put the odds in your favor. You can never guarantee the outcome. And a lot of people come to the market with the idea of a guaranteed outcome if they study hard enough, if they do all the things correctly. No, okay? It's not going to be your experience. The market is a true representation of life. You can put the odds in your favor. But once you let go of that dice, once that dice leaves your hands, random probability takes over. Okay? So understand, when you're learning about trading, just have in the back of your mind, you probably won't make it. Okay? Number 2, all right? You're probably going to lose your initial amount of money several times over. Okay? Number 3, you cannot start with a small amount of money and turn it into a large amount of money if you are an algorithmic trader. If you are an algorithmic trader, like myself, you need at least $50,000 to $100,000 to trade your strategies. Because when you build a strategy and you do it correctly, you're going to be trading 2 or 3 different asset classes that have no correlation to each other. Plus you got margin requirements. Plus you got, your stops, which you could be thousands of dollars, okay? Give the market enough room to breathe. So this is all counter trends, counterintuitive to what you've been told. The people who make it with a small amount of money are lucky as fuck. It's very important to me to crush your dreams before you do get anything from me, because I don't ever want you to ever feel like you were sold on a false promise. That is the worst way to do a business, and it's the worst way to treat people, in my opinion. What's going on, everyone? Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification. Remember, it's not enough just to subscribe anymore. For some fangled reason, YouTube makes you click 2 buttons. That's not my fault, okay? So you have to click subscribe, and then if you want to get notified on new videos, you have to turn on the bell notification.